Welcome back. Now it's time to work on deleting a product. How would you delete a product if you want to do so? Well, it's very simple. Let's start working on it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a file that's going to be responsible for deleting a product. I'm going to say here new file, and then I'm going to say delete underscore product dot php. And then what I'm going to do in this file, the first thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to get a code from here. First, I'm going to copy this code. I'm going to make sure that the admin is logged in. And the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to activate the button. So I'm going to go to the products, and in the products, what I want to do is that, remember, we have this button. We have edit and delete. Let's work on the delete. On the delete, what we want to do is that we want to say href is equal to delete product dot php, and then I'm going to say product underscore id is equal to php, and then echo product id. And that's it. Here we have the product ID, and we can delete that product. And in the product now, in the delete product, what we want to do is that we want to say if is set product ID get first, get product ID, product ID, then if we have the product ID, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to delete that product. And to delete a product from the database, we need to get a command. Let me get a command instead of writing it from scratch. So I'm going to get this command. Let me get these lines, and then let me paste them here. And then I'm going to change a few things. First, I'm going to say statement is equal to connect, prepare, and then delete from where? From, we need to delete from products where product ID is equal to question mark. And then we say statement bind param, and then we bind the product ID, and we just execute one, and that's it. We need to remove all of these, and we need to get the product ID and do a few things. The first thing that we need to do is that at the top we need to import the session. I'm going to say session start. And the next thing that we need to do is that we need to import the server connection, and then we need to get the product ID. So to get the product ID, we need to store it in a new variable here. I'm going to say product underscore ID is equal to get product ID, and lastly, if everything's fine, we just redirect. We say here header, and then location, and then products.php, and then I'm going to say deleted successfully, and then I'm going to say is equal to product has been deleted successfully. And you can add if statement to check whether the product has been deleted or not. You can say here if, and then if product has been deleted successfully, you can take the user to this page, and else you can display the same message, the same line. You can use the same line but with a different message. You can say deleted failure message, failure, just failure, and then here couldn't delete product, could not delete product. And then in the products page we need to display these messages. So here remember we have this code. We can copy this code and then we can paste it here. In case of failure we say delete. The key was, I think, deleted failure. And we just here say deleted failure. And in case of success we copy the same message and display it here. And then we say edit success message. Instead of edit success message, the message here was deleted successfully. So I'm going to copy it and then I'm going to paste it here. Deleted successfully, and here deleted successfully. That's it. Pretty simple and awesome. Let me now head on over to the browser and test. Let me refresh first, and then we should have here all of the products. Let me delete the last product because I don't want the last product from my system. So the last product is this one, the gray shoes. Let me click on delete, and if I click on delete, here as you can see it says product has been deleted successfully. Let's verify this. Let me go to the last page. So as you can see, if I go to the last page, the product has been deleted successfully.